Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay on the Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is the Apple Watch SE first generation. It doesn't matter what Apple Watch you have, it's going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, first of all, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone by the Watch app. You want to go to the Watch app and scroll down and find the wallet and Apple Pay. Click on it, and as you can see, you can add a card, you can custom or mirror my iPhone. So mirror my iPhone is going to mirror all the cards that you have added to your Apple Pay on your iPhone or to your account to the Apple Watch. As you can see, I don't have any cards added to my iPhone. It doesn't matter because if you have it added, so you're going to have it right here somewhere in here to display. In the custom, you can choose which card are going to be on the Apple Watch. So, if you want to pay with the Apple Watch, you just need to press twice quickly on the power button, 1, 2, and the all cards is going to be displayed right here on the Apple Watch. As you can see, as I said earlier, I don't have any cards or passes added to my account, so it doesn't display here, but it works all the same as on the iPhone. You just press the power up button 2 times and you can choose the card with which you want to pay, and then you just put near the Apple Watch to the terminal, paying terminal. Like, let's say this is the terminal, you just place it near and the whole transaction is going to process. So thanks for watching, I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!